Welcome to our tutorial on how to use IntRec. In this guide, we will walk you through the basic setup of IntRec, as well as some tips to help you get the most out of it. So let's get started. Here you're looking at the top of the dashboard. You can view or edit your profile. We recommend that you take our free personality test to understand your ocean personality traits. Upload your CV. Allows you to upload your CV or create one using IntRec AI. Now your main dashboard. All jobs that match your qualifications are displayed in the latest recommended jobs section. Pre-employment test. After you apply for a job and submit your CV, if you are accepted to the next stage, you will be invited to take a pre-employment test. Here you will see the name of the company and job title, as well as the number of invitations to the pre-employment test you have. Following that, if the pre-employment test is successful, you will be invited to the next phase of the recruitment process. The video interview. Here you will see the number of invitations and the companies that have invited you to take their interview. The final interview. Here will show your invitations to an in-person or online interview with the hiring company. This is the final selection process. You do not currently have access to Quick Hire. More suggestions for you. Here you have shortcuts to view your CVs, the job board, your jobs, the pre-employment test, the personality test, your video and final interview invitations, the practice test, and feedback. On the left side menu bar, you have more shortcuts to the system and informational pages. Here you will find access to more information about ocean analysis, test and assessments, and our FAQ. You also have access to help and support. On the right side, you have access to our Help Center, information about practice pre-employment tests, and practice video interviews. Thank you for watching our How It Works tutorial video. If you need further information, visit our Help Center or website, www.intrec.io. Remember, you can also download our IntRec Candidate app on Google Play and the Apple Store. Bye.